Good morning all of you. Let us do our exercise of third chapter. Question answers we have did. We have to do the exercises. The first one, various type of a migration depend upon. See all the factors like nature of the people often involve reason for movement, nature of migration. So the answer will be D, the last one. Second, international movement of a people into destination country of which they are not native is called immigration. A1, immigration. A. Third one, which of this is not positive advantage of migration to destination country? The D, racism. D, racism. Which of the following is adventure of migration to a home country? Here all the D option, all of these. Fifth one, which of the following consider the pull factor responsible for the brain drain? Lack of freedom, superior economic outlook, discrimination culture, absence and research facilities. Now it was because the pull factor was there, we have to see what are the pull factors. So the B1, the superior economic outlook. Though I'm explaining you, but also I will attach the PDF of this so that you will be easily will be able to do all these exercises. Filling the blanks. The first one, nomadic movement is not migration as it is. Nomadic means the people who move from one place to another place. They does not live anywhere in the permanently at any place. That is temporary. Hong Kong has many more immigrant than immigration. The migrants generally do many unskilled job at low wages. Unskilled means which is does not need any specialization of the doing work. So they are also do any unskilled work at the very low wages. The trend of brain drain is a consider a problem. Brain drain means the educated people when they move. So the brain drain. Death factor are those factors in the destination country that attract the individual to the leave their homes. Pull factor. Attracting means pull factor. Answer in the one word. Idea, custom and social behavior of the particular society is known as a culture. An account of money sent as a gift to someone is remittance. Third one, movement from one country to another country is migration. Fourth one, the process in which the country lost its most educated and talented worker to other country is brain drain. Movement of the people from one place to another within the border is known as a domestic migration. It is also known as a internal migration, but you write domestic migration because it will be easier to learn you the terms. So this is all about your exercise. Question answer you will do in your copy, and filling the blanks and true false you will just leave it in your book only. The PDF also I will attach you so that you will do very easily this question answers. Thank you.